Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure HSA contributions with Fidelity for tax filing. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To configure HSA contributions with Fidelity for tax filing, begin by logging into your Fidelity account. Navigate to the Accounts and Trade tab in the main menu. Select Health Savings Accounts from the drop-down options. Once on the HSA page, look for the Contributions section. Click on Manage Contributions to access your settings. Review your current contribution limits and adjust as necessary. Make sure your contributions align with IRS guidelines for the tax year. If you're contributing pre-tax, ensure that the deduction amount is specified. Choose whether you want to make a one-time contribution or set up recurring contributions. Enter the desired contribution amount for your selected period. Double-check all entries for accuracy. Once confirmed, select Submit to finalize your contributions. In the confirmation window, verify the changes you made and click Confirm. Next, navigate to the Tax Documents section in your account. Look for any relevant tax documents related to your HSA. Download or print your HSA contributions for your records. Ensure that you save this information for easy access during tax filing. Review IRS Form 8889, which you'll need when preparing your tax return. Make a note of any required deadlines for HSA contributions. Finally, keep track of your contributions throughout the year for future tax considerations. You're now ready to file your taxes with your HSA contributions properly configured through Fidelity. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.